Hi student, in this video I am going to show you about MS Excel chart. Okay. So student, first of all you have to know what is MS Excel chart. Okay. So in MS Excel a chart is often called a graph. Okay. A chart is a powerful tool that allows you visually display a data in a variety of different chart. Okay. There are different chart formats such as bar chart, column chart, pie chart, line chart, area chart, etc. Okay, so it is very easy. Okay, so from a screen you can see there are two columns. Number one column name is sales amount and number two is commission. Okay, you can see there are some number, okay, corresponding to sales amount, and they have some number for commission. Okay, now I am going to insert a chart, okay, using these two column. Okay, so for this, first of all you have to select these two field. Now go to the insert option. Here you can see a option that is charts. Okay, so if you click here you can see they have many options, that is in this is insert column or bar chart. If you click here then you can see this is line chart or area chart. Okay, so there are many options, you can choose as per your choice. Okay, so this is called bubble chart. Okay, this is called statistics chart. Okay, so for insert a chart you can choose any format from here. So for this table here I am selecting this option, that is bar chart. Okay, so bar chart have many types, that is 2D column, 3D column, 2D bar, 3D bar. Okay, okay, you can see bar chart have many types. One is 2D column, another 3D column, another 2D bar, another 3D bar. Okay, for here I am inserting 2D bar. If you click here on 2D bar you can see this table. Okay, now here have some style for this chart. Okay, so here I am selecting this style. Okay, okay, this one. Okay, so you can see this color is for sales amount and this color, okay, is for commission. Okay, now you can see the sale is 2500, so this is the sale amount, that is 2500, and this commission is only 50. Okay, now if you increase the value of the commission, okay, I just type here I am typing 500. Okay, now you can see the size of this bar just increase. Okay, if you type here 5000 then you can see this bar size will be more than from this. Okay, just click here. Now you can see the amount of commission is more than from the sale amount. Okay, so student, this is the bar chart. Okay, now if you type here some value like 1000, now you can see the height of this commission part increase. Okay, if you type here 2000 you can see the height of this commission part will again increase. Okay, okay, now if you type here some number like 800. Okay, I just type here some number. Okay, like 800, 801. Now you can see this height of the previous commission is increased. Okay, so student, this is actually bar chart. Okay, now if you click here and if you click on this plus option you can see they have some extra option. Okay, so if you want to select or if you want to add some properties in this chart you can do it from here. Okay, so this is for access title. If you click here then you can see this access title comes here. Okay, if you want to type here something then you can type it. Okay, now if you collect on this data level you can see value of the sales amount and commission are showing. Okay. Okay, now data table. If you want to insert the data table here, you can do it using this data table option. Okay. Now if you want to add some error bar, you can also do it using this option. Okay. The student, this is called actually chart elements. Okay. Now if you click here, you can insert some style and color in this graph. Okay. You can select anyone, and if you want to put some color here, then you can do it using this option. Okay. Okay. Now if you click here, okay, they have also some properties, so I'm requesting you please try to implement it. Okay guys, this was column chat. Okay, now I am going to show you about 3D column bars. Okay, so if you click here, then you can see this is called 3D bar chart. Okay, now if you click here again, you can insert some chart element from here. Okay, so it is very easy. Okay, there are many options, if you want to implement it, then just click here which you want to implement. Okay, so student, you can see there are many other options. Okay, so if you want to insert some style in your graph, then you can do it using this option. Okay, it is very simple. Okay, so this is actually called bar chart. Okay, now I am going to show you some other charts. Okay, so in this table you can see there are two columns, that is name and sales amount. Okay, now I am going to insert another chart types. So in this table I am going to insert another chart. Okay, so the name of this chart is pie chart. So this is 2D pie, this is 3D pie, this is 2D pie, this is 3D pie. Okay, now there are many other options which you want to insert. You can do it using this option. Okay, if you click on 2D pie, then you can see this is the 2D part. So this is the 2D pie chart. Okay, now if you want to add some element here, you can do this using this option. Okay, okay, now if you want to add some style here, you can do it using this option. Okay, now you can see there are the name of the person, and this is the sale amount for this person. Okay, so it is very simple. Okay, if you want to insert here some other properties, then you can again click on insert option and choose which one you want to insert. Okay, if you click here 3D pie, then it will be changed into this font. Okay, if you click here this option, then it will be look like this image. Okay, so it is very simple. Pie chart is very simple. Okay, now there are many others option. Okay, if you want to insert any chart from here, you can do it. Okay, using this option. Okay, it is very simple. Okay, now I am going to insert another charts. Okay, now here I am inserting this chart. This is called bubble chart. Okay, just click here and choose which one you want to insert. Okay, so from here, if you want to add some element, you can do it using this option. Okay, okay, so this is called actually bubble chart. There are many designs, there are some style. If you want to insert some style in your graph, then you can do it using this option. Okay, so it is very simple. Okay, don't worry. Okay, so accept this, there are many others option. Okay, just click in insert option and choose the chart option which you want to insert. Okay guys, that's all about Excel chart. So thank you, thanks for watching.